Hi everyone, it's Rica here. Today I am very excited to share with you how my tomato is doing this year. Come take a look. This is a type of cherry tomato called chocolate tomato. In this very small area, I planted 2 plants. It is indeterminate. It can grow and produce as long as the weather is good or until frost kills the plant. As you see, mine is about 10 feet tall and it still continues to grow. In here I have 2 plants of big beef tomato, which is indeterminate as well. It produces extra large tomatoes and they are disease resistant. Ensure to plant it in full sun location. This is a sweet million cherry tomato. Tall, vigorous vines grow masses of gorgeous red cherry tomato and very sweet. They are indeterminate as well. It produces tomatoes over a longer period of time, perfect for home gardeners. In here we have yellow pear-shaped tomato, heirloom variety, very easy to grow and very prolific. It's great for salad and snacking. Expect to have steady supply throughout the summer. In this very tiny space, I'm able to get plenty of tomatoes throughout the whole summer. So any little space will do as long as it's sunny location and have organic compost. I even planted Swiss chard with it. So now, let's pick some ripe tomatoes. So let's try and taste the three types of cherry tomato. Let's start with sweet million tomatoes. It's good. It's very good actually. Now, the pear-shaped tomato. It's very plain, less acidic, and not too sweet either. Okay, now, this chocolate tomato. This is so delicious. I recommend this. So this is today's harvest of tomatoes. In the front, I have three types of cherry tomato. This is called sweet million tomatoes, chocolate tomatoes, and pear-shaped tomatoes. Here is the big beef tomatoes. My goodness, this is so heavy. In just one tomato alone, I think this is more than 1 pound. But in all of this, my favorite is this chocolate sprinkled tomato. This is so sweet and tasty. And if you want something that is acidic, you have to go with sweet million tomato. So that's for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. This is just the beginning. I'm gonna have so much. Now we're gonna test it. See how it is. Oh my goodness, it's so delicious. It's so good.